Hey guys, I'm Vishal. The purpose of this video is to create awareness about the side effects of using RO water filters and educate you on how to select the right water purifier for your use. Okay, so let's begin our topic. Guys, we as a living species, for us to stay alive, we need three necessary things, which are food, water, and air. So, guys, from the beginning of our existence, we started consuming these three things in a raw form. Then, after few years, we invented fire and we started processing our food. Then, after millions of years, we invented water purifiers and we started processing our water. Then, guys, recently, few years back, we invented air purifiers also. But, guys, as you know, wrong way of processing food can damage the quality of food. Like if you are using excess of oils and preservatives, then it can damage the quality of food. Same way, guys, if you are using wrong method of processing water, then you are damaging the quality of water. Actually, water is very complex liquid. Quality of water from different places is never same. It varies from places to places. Guys, we know that due to increased water pollution, water is no more safe for drinking. That's why we started processing our drinking water, right? So, what are the different types of contamination that are present in water? We can classify water contaminants into four types: inorganic, organic, biological, and radiological. Example of inorganic contaminants are metals like arsenic, lead, copper, chromium, mercury, cyanide, fluoride. Organic contaminants are like pesticides, herbicides, untreated domestic water waste, and industrial water waste. Biological contaminants are living organisms such as algae, bacteria, protozoa, and viruses. Radiological contaminants are radioactive materials like uranium. So, guys, to protect ourselves from these different types of contamination, we started processing our water, right? Guys, water purifier industry is a very booming industry these days. Sale of water purifiers is increasing day by day. Now we will see what are the different technologies these companies are using. So guys, there are mainly four types of water filters, which are sediment filter, activated carbon filter, UV filter, and membrane filter. Sediment filter is used as a pre-filter to increase the lifespan of membrane filter. Any water contamination which is visible to our naked eyes can be removed by using sediment filter. Next is activated carbon filter. Guys, you won't believe that the total surface area of carbon molecules from this carbon filter is as large as a football stadium. It uses adsorption method to remove chlorine, soluble gases, pesticides and herbicides from the water. Next is UV filter, which uses UV radiation to kill the biological contamination present in water. And the last type is membrane filter, which consists of semi-permeable membrane having pores of different sizes. The contamination which is not able to pass through that pores gets filtered out from the water. Based on pore size, we can further divide it into RO, NF, and UF. RO is having pore size of 0.0001 micron. NF is having pore size of 0.001 micron, while UF is having pore size of 0.01 micron. Guys, now you know the types of water contamination. Also, you know the types of water filters. Now we will see how to select the right water purifier. So guys, you can select activated carbon filter as it is considered as the best water filter among all. Developed countries like US, Russia, Germany, they are using activated carbon filters to purify their drinking water. They have stopped the use of RO water filters. Why? That we will see later. Next, you can select UV filter also, as there are chances that during monsoon season your water gets contaminated with biological contamination, right? But while buying, make sure that UV chamber is made up of stainless steel and not aluminum. Then guys, main question is how you will select the right membrane filter from RO, NF and UF. For this, first you need to know the TDS of your tap water. What is TDS? TDS is total dissolved solids present in your water. Unit of TDS is parts per million. Now, how you will measure the TDS? For that, you have to buy a TDS meter. It will just cost you around 200 rupees on Amazon or Flipkart. It is a simple device like digital thermometer. You just have to switch it on, then dip into the water, and the display will show you the TDS count. So guys, now you know the TDS of your water. But based on that, how you will select the right membrane filter? It is generally recommended that if the TDS of your water is below 300 ppm, then you can select UF. If the TDS of your water is more than 300 and less than 900 ppm, then you can select NF. And if your TDS is more than 900 ppm, then in that case you can select RO membrane filter. But guys, what we are doing? We are just blindly purchasing any water purifier, mostly RO. Guys, according to WHO, we can consume water which is having TDS up to 300 ppm. And according to BIS, that is Bureau of Indian Standard, we can consume water which is having TDS up to 500 ppm. In India, it is observed that tap water is having TDS from 100 to 300 ppm. So you can consume your tap water without using any water purifier also. Guys, for reference purpose, I have added this table. You can pause your video and go through this. As you can see that TDS level below 50 is unacceptable as it lacks the essential minerals which are actually required by our body. But if you are using RO filter, then you are drinking the water which is having TDS from 0 to 20 ppm, which is bad for your health. Guys, I told you that developed countries have stopped the use of RO filters because consumption of RO water is unhealthy for our body. Guys, now we will see what are the disadvantages of drinking RO water. According to WHO, by using RO filter, water gets demineralized as RO filter removes all the essential minerals present in water, which are calcium, magnesium, sodium, which are actually required for our body. So after consumption of this demineralized water, we can have gastrointestinal problems, bone density issues, joint problems, cardiovascular diseases. Next disadvantage of RO filter is water becomes acidic, and due to consumption of this acidic water we can have acidosis in our body. Guys, in 1931 Dr. Otto Warburg won the Nobel Prize for discovering the cause of cancer. In essence, he said that cancer is caused by a lack of cellular oxygenation due to acidosis in the body. So that means consumption of this acidic water from RO can even cause you cancer in long run. Next disadvantage of using RO filter is after consumption of this demineralized water, diuresis of our body gets increased. Guys, if you are thinking that through your diet you can compensate that loss of minerals caused due to RO water, then you are wrong. Because one scientific study confirms that reduced mineral intake from water is not compensated by diet. Why? because low mineral water is responsible for an increased elimination of minerals from the body through diuresis. One more disadvantage of using RO filter is water wastage. If we pass 1 liter of water through RO, then we will get only 250 ml of purified water, while remaining 750 ml of water get wasted in our drainage. Guys, now you know that consumption of RO water is not good for your health, as the TDS of RO water is very low, between 0 to 20 ppm, because it removes all the essential minerals present in water. Guys, water purifier making companies know these side effects of RO water. That's why they invented TDS controller, mineral charger, alkaline filter, and copper filter. But these are just buzzwords and providing no benefits. TDS controller adjusts the TDS by mixing unfiltered water with filtered water. So then what's the point in using RO filter? Mineral charger can't provide water with its initial original composition. Then alkaline filter is used to convert acidic water into alkaline water. But it would be better if we could avoid such water which pass through these complex chemical reactions. Next is copper filter, which is good, but they use cheap quality of copper. Guys, whenever we visit any hospital to see any patient, we usually buy a coconut for that patient. Why? The answer is the TDS of coconut water. Coconut water is having TDS of around 3000 ppm, and there is no any impurities present in coconut water. That means all 3000 ppm consist of essential minerals which give booster dose of energy to our patient. Guys, there are many things happening around RO in our India. NGT, that is National Green Tribunal, have directed the Ministry of Environment and Forest to ban the RO system in our India. But due to COVID and lockdown situation, it is not get implemented yet. But soon we will see the ban on RO water purifiers. Okay then guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do comment your opinions about RO filters. Thank you and take care.